After power on the controller, splash screen will appear, then home screen will open. At home screen, touch NC operation to open iHMI screen. At home screen, it will show active mode, access positions, feed, and speed. Also it shows access load, model G code along with MST code, D, H, and N number. Also shows folder path, program name, and running time. And arrow to open vertical menu.
Touch this arrow to open vertical menu. It shows Information Center, Setting slide, Workpiece coordinates, Tool offset, Program Manager, Custom macro variable, and Utility.